Today we're looking at Dexy, an AI SDR built to run your outbound on autopilot. In this video, I'll explain what Dexy is, what it can do, who's it for, how it compares to other tools, and what you need to know before trying it. I've been covering sales tools for years, reviewing dozens of AI SDR platforms. So let's break this one down. Dexy presents itself as your seasoned AI SDR, designed to prospect, qualify, and engage leads just like a human rep would. On their site, they highlight big numbers like 20,000 plus leads generated, thousands of conversations, and hundreds of meetings booked. So what exactly does Dexy do? It's an AI outbound sales platform. It identifies your ideal customer, builds outreach campaigns, sends personalized emails, handles replies, and books meetings directly in your calendar. It functions as a complete outbound SDR, covering data sourcing, outreach, engagement, and scheduling without you having to hire a full team. The key features include personalized email generation, campaign automation across multiple sequences, real-time response handling, pipeline management, and CRM integrations. They also highlight Dexy as a team player, connecting with Slack, HubSpot, Salesforce, and other major tools, so it fits neatly in your existing sales workflow. On their site, they position Dexy as above average compared to human SDRs, claiming higher response rates and more meetings booked per week while cutting down the time it takes to ramp up new reps. They even map out the entire workflow from building your lead list to enriching data, sending first messages, managing replies, and eventually handing off warm meetings to your closers. So, who is this for? Dexy is aimed at startups and mid-sized companies that want to scale outbound without building a big SDR team. If you're spending too much time on prospecting and follow-ups, this is pitched as your last SDR hire. And for how much? Well, Dexy doesn't list clear pricing on their site. You'll need to schedule a demo to get exact costs, which usually means pricing is customized and probably higher than simple cold email tools. So what about alternatives? If you want transparent pricing and actually great results, you need to take a look at an AI SDR called Agent Frank. Agent Frank is a cold email machine. You get end-to-end email setup, deliverability, mailbox rotation, and hyper-personalized outreach for a fraction of the cost of hiring reps. Everything is automated from 0 to 100. You just need to close the calls. So if you want to learn more about Agent Frank, I suggest you take a look at this video right here.